Yes sir, good day RK Ventures and welcome back to my channel. Alright, so it's been a while, walang uploads. It's because I went abroad. I'm an OFW. We are here now at the beautiful airport ng Qatar. So habang naglalakad kami ng mga kasama ko, kasabay ko, I saw some, luxurious cars like Ferrari, Mercedes-Benz, at kung ano-ano pa. But there is one na nag-stand out para sa akin. But to tell you honestly, I'm not a big fan of the brand of this motorcycle because first of all, it's too expensive. For a normal person or simpleng taong tulad ko, I can't afford that. Pero sa mayayaman, well, syempre kaya nila yan. But when you look at it, sa physical appearance ng motor nito, panalo mga ka-riders. Sobrang lakas ng dating, aggressive yung dating, at talagang head turner to Kumbaga makakabali ng liig tong motor nito. Well, ano pa nga ba? It's the 2024 Playtime Showtime, the Ducati Hypermotard 950 RVE. Powered by 937cc Testa Stretta 11 degrees L twin cylinder with 4 valve per cylinder, a Desmodromic liquid cooled with magnesium head covers, EFI system with 53mm throttle bodies with ride-by-wire system with a maximum horsepower that can churn out up to 114 horsepower at 9,000 RPM and a maximum 96 Newton meters of torque at 7,250 RPM, mated with 6-speed Ducati quick shift up and down. This high-powered motorcycle is equipped with advanced features as well as advanced safety features such as riding modes and power modes, Bosch cornering ABS, Ducati traction control, Ducati wheelie control, Ducati quick shift up and down, tapered aluminum handlebars, removable passenger foot pegs, USB power outlet, anti-theft system, heated grips, and a Ducati multimedia system. So the only advanced features na wala sa motor nito is yung kanyang cruise control. But kahit na, the looks, the power, nasa kanya na po lahat. Now the front suspension is a 45mm Marzucchi fully aluminum adjustable upside down fork with a front tire size of 120 by 70 by 17 na naka Pirelli Diablo Russo 3. And sa rear suspension naman, naka progressive linkage with adjustable spring preload and rebound damping SAS monoshock and aluminum single-sided swing arm, and a chunky rear tire size na 180 by 55 by 17 Pirelli Diablo Russo 3. Alright, so let's stop it from there because we all know na meron tong dual channel ABS na 4-piston caliper sa harapin as well as sa likod, ganun din because dual disc yung harapan yan. Well, all I can say is that this motorcycle is talagang yayamanin. No, hindi to basta-basta premium yung pagkakagawa. It's because gawang Ducati. But ganun pa man, this motorcycle is panalo. Ang lakas ng dating and the price, dun lang talaga. So let's base it in our country. It's 999,000 pesos. So ganun siya kamahal mga ka-riders. Ganun talaga gawang Ducati, but still, this motorcycle is ang lakas ng dating. Powerful, wala kang masasabi. At pag meron kang ganitong motor sa Pinas, mayaman ka. Plus, pogi pa. Alright, so that's our motorcycle feature for today, the Ducati Hypermotard RVE 950. So this is RK Ventures. Grazie.